The capital issued its first citywide ozone advisory of the year on Sunday after hourly concentrations in some areas, including Seodaemun District, exceeded the 0.12 ppm threshold.
서울시가 어제 서대문구 등 일부 지역의 오존 시간당 최고 농도가 기준치인 0.12 ppm을 넘어섬에 따라 올해 첫 오존 주의보를 시 전역에 내렸습니다.
Yes. So this advisory was issued by the Seoul Institute of Health and Environment when they noticed that concentration levels in Seodaemun reached 0.1294 ppm to be exact. So that's just over the 0.12 threshold for it to be an advisory. Now, ozone, of course, Sue, as you know, is a secondary pollutant formed when volatile organic compounds and nitrogen oxides in the atmosphere undergo these sort of petrochemical reactions, and exposure would increase irritants to the eyes, your respiratory system, and sometimes could lead to breathing difficulties.
그래요. 이 오존이라는 게 2차 오염물질이죠. 영어로는 secondary pollutant. 인데요. 좀 전문적으로 지금 선생님이 설명을 해주셨어요. VOCs라고 하는 휘발성 유기 화합물, volatile organic compounds랑 그 다음에 이제 nitrogen oxides라고 하는 질소 산화물이 태양 에너지랑 반응해서 만들어지는 그런 이제 2차 오염물질인데 여기에 노출이 되면은 이제 눈, 기관지 이런 데에 이제 피해를 주는 것이죠. 그래서 굉장히 위험할 수 있는데 어제 서울시 전역에 요 오존 주의보가 내려졌어요.
Yeah, I think it's important to note, though, they issue these advisories even if just one of the 25 districts goes over that threshold. So
Okay.
it was observed in Seodaemungu, but it was issued for the entire city.
Right. 자, 그러면은 표현을 좀 보도록 하겠습니다. As you said, it was issued for the entire city. It was citywide.
Yes, if something is citywide, it means it affects across the entire city. When we're talking about announcements, in this case, an advisory was citywide. Things could be nationwide, for example, as well.
Yeah,
right?
exactly. nationwide 하면은 전국적이다. citywide 그러면은 시 전역에 걸쳐져 있다. So in this case, we're talking about a citywide advisory. 주의보. And what about hourly concentrations?
Yeah, so when we're talking about a concentration, it's the amount of something that's that's measured in a substance. We're talking about pollutants, chemicals, particles just in the air, recorded for each hour.
그래요. 그러니까 여기서 말하는 hourly concentration에서 concentration은 농도입니다. 그래서 시간당 농도죠. 지금 오존을 측정할 때 시간당 최고 농도가 어느 정도가 되는지 이거를 측정하게 되는데 이제 0.12 ppm을 넘어서게 되면은 주의보가 내려져요. 여기서 ppm이라고 하면은 parts per million.
Million, I'm assuming, yeah.
이거죠. 자, 그럼 다시 한번 읽어보겠습니다. The capital issued its first citywide ozone advisory of the year on Sunday after hourly concentrations in some areas, including Seodaemun District, exceeded the 0.12 ppm threshold. Let's move on to the next headline.